Hi, this project is a demo for Putlocker, which is a web application that is hosted on AWS. It uses various AWS components. Let's first see what are the components that it is using. So we have the EC2 machine. So I have an instance of EC2 which I'm using to deploy all my project artifacts. So this I'm using as my, and then creating an image using this for my auto scaling group. So this is the EC2 that has all the project artifacts, and I've created an AMI using this, which you can see here as file Putlocker, and this is the AMI. I have created an auto scaling group using this AMI, and the auto scaling group has a max of 2 instances, a desired of 1 instance, and a minimum of 1 instance. So if currently there's just 1 instance that is spawned, but based on the load it would create another instance, and seeing the traffic coming towards the website, we can change this configuration to the desired number. Then we are using the elastic load balancer, which connects to this auto scaling group. I have mentioned the load balancer name Ubuntu ELBs. If you go to the load balancer, I have the Ubuntu ELBs, and I have also created an S3 bucket, Sri Aital -112489, and there is a replica bucket of this. We have enabled the transfer acceleration properties for this bucket. It has versioning enabled. There are lifecycle policies for this to move to standard IA and Amazon Glacier and delete it based on assignment 2. Moving ahead, I have created the Route 53 DNS for my domain, which is www.sriaital-sjsu.com. So if you check this, you have the record set this, and it has been pointing to my ELB. So then we have configured the CloudFront to view the files from S3. By default, the CloudFront has a TTL of 1 day. I have changed this to 60 seconds. So every 60 seconds, the cache is refreshed. You can see here, default TTL as 60 seconds. Then we have configured the CloudWatch to monitor every time an EC2 of the auto scaling is spin up or terminated. So if you go to rules, you can check that there is a CloudWatch created whose trigger is my Lambda. So the Lambda takes in the message and it invokes the SNS to send me the message. So my Lambda function is this, and it is taking 3 variables: topic, subject, and message body. Topic is the ARN number of my SNS. If you check my SNS, I have a single subscriber, which is my SJSU email ID, anushree.srinathaital@sjsu.edu. So when I spawned my first EC2 instance of the auto scaling group, I got an email from Amazon saying alert, auto scale instance activity. An auto scale event is launched or terminated, requires attention. So I have created this alert so that we can monitor every time a EC2 has been spawned to check if somebody is overloading my website, or if it goes down, I can immediately collect the logs and check for the issues. So this is the AWS part of the project. Now let's go to the actual demo of the project. So let me type in the website www.sriaital-sjsu.com. This is my landing page. If you already have a username and password, you can log in here. Let me try and create a new user. So I'll click on sign up here, and in sign up here, let me give the first name as demo, last name is user, email as demo user, demo user gmail.com, Cloud9 bank. So it says my user has been successfully created and log in to continue. Suppose if you try and create a user with an username which is already existing, the application gives an error. For example, so I already have a user with this username. When I try, it says user already exists. Suppose I give this wrong, it says email IDs do not match. Now let's go ahead and log in with the demo user that we created. Since when the user logs in, he doesn't have any files uploaded, we have no files uploaded given. You can upload the files using this widget. This is file Putlocker, the name of the project. I have the user second name, comma, first name, and there is an option to log out. Let me go ahead and upload my first file. And go to this. I'm uploading the happy face. I will give the description happy face. Click on upload. So I got the record here. Before there was no files uploaded. Now I can see my file. I also got a message done. It's been successfully uploaded. Let me go ahead and check in my S3 if the file was actually uploaded. And go here, S3. This is my bucket. This is my customer data. So the project structure is that for every user, I'm creating a folder and all his files are maintained within this folder. I'm doing this because suppose user 1 uploads a file, say test, and user 2 also uploads a file test. Then in order to differentiate between these two, we can separate it out by having folders wherein the folder name belongs to username and the username is unique. So now I have my user demo user and I have the file happy face. Let me go ahead and upload a couple more files. I will upload sheep. Has also been uploaded successfully. I'll upload the document, test, and this being uploaded successfully. Let me go ahead and try to upload a file which is more than 10 MB. So this zip file is more than 10 MB. Let me just give the description more than 10. And I get the error message, file uploaded is more than 10. So let me now try to download the file. I'm going to click on happy face and I get the image. If I try to download the doc, it asks me to download. So let me download it as test document of 2. I will go ahead and try to edit file. When I hover on edit, it tells me to update file, download, edit the contents and upload. Now that I have downloaded test document, let me edit this file. So I have hello world. We'll say hello world again. And I'm going to save the file. And I will rename the file to test document, as I need to maintain the same name in order to update the file. So yes, I have hello world, hello again, which is also test document. I will go ahead, and this is on my desktop. I will upload this file. You can provide the description again when you're uploading, or even if you do not, it would maintain the description. Right now it is test, but I would just want to update the message and show. I will upload the file. It says uploaded. It has been changed to checking updated. I have, like I said, I have configured the CloudFront for a TTL of 1 minute. So in order to see the changes, let's wait for a minute and then download this file. Now I'm downloading this file again. And if I view the changes, I have hello world, hello again. So the file has been uploaded. Let's check the database entries of this. I have my table customer. When I click on this, I have the demo user whose ID is 9. And if I try to check for the files of the demo user, I have 3 files: happy face, sheep, and text document. So there are 3 files here, and in my S3 let me go ahead and delete a file. I will delete the sheep.jpg file. I click on the delete option here and I get the message done, file deleted successfully. Let me go ahead and recheck my database if there are files have been deleted. My file has been deleted from here, and then let me check my S3. Let me reload this. I think my files have been deleted from here too. So this is the complete working of my application. Once the user has performed appropriate actions, he can log out by clicking on logout, which will take him back to the login page. Thank you.